Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase quality assurance skills with JIRA, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with JIRA's interface. Open JIRA and log into your account. Take a tour of the dashboard to understand its layout. Explore the project overview to see how tasks are organized. Learn about user stories and how they relate to quality assurance. Create a sample project to practice your skills. Set up user stories that include various testing requirements. Understand how to create and assign tasks to team members. Focus on writing clear and concise acceptance criteria for each user story. Use JIRA's linking feature to connect related issues and tasks. Explore JIRA's filters to track the progress of tasks effectively. Utilize components and labels to categorize issues for better clarity. Get acquainted with the reporting features to measure your team's performance. Practice creating dashboards that highlight key quality assurance metrics. Collaborate with team members through comments and updates on tasks. Review sprint planning to align quality assurance efforts with development schedules. Utilize the JIRA workflow to identify bottlenecks in the testing process. Practice conducting retrospectives to analyze completed sprints. Gather feedback from team members to refine your QA processes. Stay updated on changes in JIRA by checking official documentation and community forums. Consider taking online courses focused on JIRA for quality assurance. Implement what you've learned by applying JIRA techniques to real projects. Regularly revisit and adjust your strategies based on performance metrics. Commit to continuous learning by exploring advanced JIRA features. Engage with QA communities to share experiences and tips related to JIRA. Work towards becoming a JIRA expert to enhance your quality assurance skills. By applying these steps consistently, you will significantly improve your quality assurance capabilities using JIRA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.